Welcome to our definitive guide on transferring data from iPhone to Android in 2025. We'll walk you through what to expect and how to ensure a seamless transition. Data retention is crucial during any transfer process. Losing valuable information can be frustrating, but with the right methods, you don't have to worry. 2025 brings new tools and technologies that simplify the transfer process, ensuring your data moves effortlessly between devices. Let's prepare your iPhone for a smooth data migration. Follow this detailed guide to make sure everything is set. Using the right transfer app can make the process simpler. Here are the top options we recommend for 2025. From photos to apps, let's explore what data can be effortlessly transferred to your new Android device. Sometimes issues arise during data transfer. Knowing the common pitfalls can help you avoid them. Once your data is transferred, it's time to set up your Android device. Here are some tips for a smooth setup. To guarantee everything is transferred successfully, follow these essential tips that ensure nothing gets left behind. Congratulations on your successful transfer. Now, enjoy exploring your new Android features while keeping your data safe.